Hi guys, today we are going to learn how to create stunning videos using 3D models in less than 10 minutes. Let's start the video with some text related to the poem on honeybees. First step is to format the background. I have some pictures in my file which I will use as my background image. Now, you have to highlight the text and change the font and size. In the Format Shape ribbon, click on the Align tab and center the text. As you can see, this text is not prominent, so we will add a box in front of the text and then change the style. Then, we will send the box at the back of the text. In Shape Format, we will change the word Art Style and change the color to white to make it more enchanted. In the next slide, we will follow the same procedure of inserting the picture from a file. You can select any picture from stock images or from online pictures. Once an image is inserted, change the text size and font in the same way as done in the previous slide. Also, do the shape formatting like shown in previous slides. After arranging the text, we will insert a 3D model of a honeybee. To do this, we will click on Insert ribbon and then click on Stock 3D Models. Then we click on All Animated Models and insert honeybee. Once the model is inserted, we will increase its size and change its position. As you can see, you can change the scene and view of your 3D model by clicking on the 3D ribbon and clicking on Scene and Views. Our first scene of the honeybee song is done. The next slide will follow the same thing. First format the background and then edit the text. After this, instead of inserting the 3D model again, we will copy the same model on slide 1 and paste it. Now in the 3D ribbon, we will change the view of our model and select Scene 2 as per the poem text. I move the text up to adjust the honeybee in the box. In the next slide, after adding an image and doing text modifications, we will do the same procedure. We will copy the same model and paste it. Now in the 3D ribbon, we will change the view of our model and select Scene 3 as per the poem text. Our honeybee is looking very happy. Again, in this slide, we will format the background. This time, we will choose Online Pictures. Type sunflower in the search bar and insert an image. Edit text in the same format. I changed the box color as per the image and added the 3D model. We are using Scene 2 in this view as per poem wordings. Look how adorable it is looking. In the next slide, we will do the exact same things as done in previous slides. In this slide, we will add 3 honeybees 3D models. Change their views and scenes. In our 7th slide, we will follow the same things. I adjusted the box color as per the image. Now copy the honeybee and paste it. Adjust the view and scene accordingly. Experiment with the view as per your choice. In the last slide, we will follow the same things. Add honeybees, and then, in the text, we will add a honeybee and make it seen as none as we do not want it to move. Now let's see all the slides in action. What a wonderful way to tell a story about honeybees. I hope you enjoy the tutorial. Follow me for more amazing content like this.